Hey everyone, have you ever wandered into a new construction community that says $300,000 and by the time you walk out the builder it's almost getting to 450? Well, here's the reasons why that may happen. And I want you to take these three factors in consideration when it comes to the new construction process. The first and foremost is your base priced home is what's going to determine your starting bid of where you're going to be. The floor plan of whichever you decide to pick is all going to have separate pricing to start with. Next is going to come with your lot. The lot that you pick, remember, very important because you can never just pick your home up and move it again. So if you want a certain lot that has certain features on it, remember that's very, very important for you and your family. So again, remember, cul-de-sac lots, corner lots, no rear neighbors, things of that nature, green spaces and water lots, they're all going to have premiums on them because they are considered to be of more desirable wants for consumers. The next is going to be your upgrades, whether it's structural, which is considering your media room options, additional bedrooms, bathrooms, car garages, what have you, is going to play a major factor, even exterior selections on what the front of the house looks like or your elevation. Then comes the inside. The design center options, tile, backsplash, flooring, whatever the case may be that you pick is all going to play a major factor. Factor in about 10-20% was what most people do. Here at the Nimesh Patel Group, we specialize in this. We've got your back, we got your six, and we'll help you guide you through that process. Give me a call. Love to help you out.